Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel once again. This is going to be another one of those short videos, and this one is a redstone one. Kind of like the elevator one that I did a bit ago. So this is a combination lock. So there's a redstone door over there. I'll go out, you can see there's a room back there. Redstone stuff. Lag. Why does lag? Anyway, I just wrote the combination here just to make sure that I wouldn't forget. So it's up, down, down, up, up. And it opens. Now, if I change any one of these, it's going to close. Change this one. Closes. That one. It's going to close. So, whenever I press one of these, it's going to end up closing. Ah, creepers. But they're going to playing in survival mode. That would not be good. Wait, which one did I? Oh, right, because it's the right way. So then there's a door in here. Or a room in here. So there's the door. So let me get out of here. I'm just gonna mess up the combination a little bit. There we go, it's all closed up. Let's go up here and you guys can see some of the redstone stuff that's going on. So those two have, I guess it's not really like that. That's not how it's supposed to be. But you can see how the whole thing works. I'm not going to bother explaining it because anyone that would really be interested in this would probably already understand what all of this does. That one has to be off because then it's going to turn everything on. And blah 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 blah. Everything is going to go all... So that's pretty much the whole video. This is part of the door here, so it's on right now. So those two things are here. I'll show you the inside of the door. It's as you can see, it's not a very big door, only 1x2. So that's how it is. Now this always, this is how I make doors, and a lot of people make doors. So there's those two there. So once it turns off, first what happens is those will pull the 2 blocks from there. Then since this, it'll take longer. So once that happens, then these will pull it back to there, and then you just have the hallway. So kind of cool. Let me just get some quartz and I'll patch that up. Where's the quartz? There we go. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole video. So, until the next video, goodbye!